Hello everyone, I am Josmi Joseph. Today we are going to discuss non-weighted code. In the previous session we have already discussed what is meant by weighted code, and today we are going to see two non-weighted codes, XS3 code and gray code. What is meant by non-weighted code? There are two types of binary codes, weighted codes and non-weighted codes. We have already seen the weighted code, what is meant by weighted code and its example. Weighted code means each digit in the code will be having a weight depends upon its position. Example of a weighted code is binary coded decimal or BCD. And in non-weighted codes, it is a type of code in which the digital value does not depend upon their position. Examples of non-weighted codes are XS3 code and gray code. Let's see XS3 code. It's a non-weighted code and it's a 4-bit code used with BCD numbers, and it's self-complementary BCD code. This table shows the decimal number, equivalent binary and its equivalent XS3 code from the digits 0 to 9. Here 0 in binary is represented as 0000, and the same thing in XS code is represented as 0011, which is the equivalent of 3. 1 is represented in binary, we know 0001, and the same thing in XS3 code is represented as 0100, which is 4. So 0 is represented as 3, 1 is represented as 4, 2 is represented as 5, 3 is represented as 6, 4 is represented as 7, 5 is represented as 8, and so on. That means we have an excess of 3 for each code here. So 3 is added with the binary equivalent, so you will get the XS3 code. Gray code is also a non-weighted code, that is, no specific weight is assigned to the bit position. And the main feature of gray code is that a single bit change from one code word to the next in the sequence. That is, the adjacent gray codes will differ only by one bit. The single bit characteristic minimizes the chance of errors, and it can have any number of bits. And the main application is it is used in the shaft position encoders. This table shows the decimal, equivalent binary and its equivalent gray code for the decimal digits from 0 to 15. Here for 0, binary 0000 and gray code also 0000. There is no change. For 1 also the same thing, binary also same and gray code also same. For 2, the binary is 0010 and gray code is 0011. See here, the difference between two adjacent gray codes differ only by 1 bit. See here, this is all zeros, and here only the last bit is changing. And here it is 0001, and here this is same, this bit also same, and this bit is changed here, and this bit is also same. See, only one bit is changed here. And see the next two, here this is same, this is also same, this is also same, only the last bit is changing in these two. And for the next one, here 0 same, here there is change, and these two are same. So that is why the adjacent code words differ only by one bit here in gray code. That is the speciality of gray code. You see here all the bits are ones, and the adjacent one here, these 3 are 1, only the last digit is changing. That is the case with all the gray codes. But the binary and the gray code, see here, the binary code and is 0111, but the gray code is completely different. So we have seen here what is weighted code and what is non-weighted code, and which are the two different non-weighted codes, XS3 code and gray code. So let's see this XS3 code and gray code in future sessions. Now it's time for questions. Identify the XS3 code of 0011. So for getting the XS3 code, first find out what is this. This is 3. Then you add another 3. So you will get the XS3 code. So here this 3 plus 3, that means 6. So the binary code for 6 is 0110. So the XS3 code for 0011 is 0110. Codes in which the digit value does not depend upon their position is known as weighted code, BCD, non-weighted code, or code. Answer is non-weighted code. Next one. Which of the following is a self-complementary BCD code? So the self-complementary BCD code means gray code, binary code, 8421 BCD code, XS3 code. Let's see the answer. It is XS3 code. Next one. Binary code used in shaft position encoder is gray code, XS3 code, BCD, or hexadecimal. The answer is gray code. Next one, identify the gray code for 0011. So you find out which is the code having only one bit change with this. The answer is 0010. These are the references for this. Thank you.